the topic is virus. What are viruses? Acellular entities. Cell structure absent in them. Metabolic activities are absent. So they are acellular. Cell theory not applicable to virus. According to cell theory, cell is a structural unit. In virus, structure is absent, cell structure is absent. Functional unit. According to cell theory, cell is a functional unit. No function, no metabolic activity in this virus. So they are acellular entities. Then what are viruses? They are connecting link between living things and non-living things. Connecting link. Between living things and non-living things. Non-living characters observed in virus, when present outside the living organism, act as non-living. Cell structure absent, no metabolic activity, no motility, no normal growth, unable to reproduce itself outside the living organism. All these, no irritability, now not show any response to stimulus, that is the no irritability. All these are the non-living characters observed in virus. Non-living characters observed in virus. Cell structure absent. Metabolic activities absent. No motility. No growth. In normal cells, no growth. Unable to reproduce outside the living organ itself. No irritability, nor show response to stimulus. Then what are the living characters observed in the virus? They maintain genetic integrity and they undergo mutations. Maintaining the genetic integrity, mutation, that is the character of the living organisms. So they show both living characters and non-living characters. When virus, they show living characters when present inside the host. So they are strictly parasites. That is obligate parasites. Inside the organism, they present inside the cell. So they are intracellular obligate parasites. All viruses are. Intracellular obligate parasites. All viruses. Intracellular obligate parasites. That means all viruses are the parasites. Compulsory. And present inside the cell. Historical event. From ancient period, virus caused diseases in different organisms, in human beings, in plants and other animals also. Andrew Love, he stated the virus is a virus. He stated that virus is a virus. He is the former director of the Pasteur Institute. Edward Jenner, without knowing the causal organism, he is the first person prepared vaccine for smallpox. First vaccine for smallpox that prepared by Edward Jenner. Later, Louis Pasteur, he prepared vaccine for rabies. Actual credit goes to the recognition of the virus. Ivanovsky. He stated that virus is a filterable agent. filterable agent. Virus is a filterable agent when he filtered the juice or the sap from the tobacco mosaic plant affected by mosaic disease through the bacterial filters. Virus pass through that filter. So he stated that it is a filterable agent can pass through the bacterial filter. So virus is a filterable agent stated by Ivanovsky. So the credit that goes to the Ivanovsky for the recognition of the virus first. And the term virus coined by Louis Pasteur. The term virus coined by Louis Pasteur, the meaning of virus is poison. The meaning of virus is the point and the word or the term virus coined by Louis Pasteur. Next, Bayesian. He applied the sap from the diseased plant, tobacco plant, to the healthy plant. Healthy plant affected and disease. So he stated that it is the contagium vivum fluidum. It is contagium vivum fluidum stated by Bayesian. It means living, infectious fluid. Contagium vivum fluidum means infectious, living infectious fluid stated by Bayesian. Later, Stanley, he is the first person crystallized tobacco mosaic virus. He is the first person crystallized tobacco mosaic virus. Pyrie and Botany examined the chemical nature of virus and stated that they are composed with proteins and nucleic acids. That means they are nucleoproteins. Chemically, they are nucleoproteins. First stated by Pyrie and Botany. And the nucleic acid is RNA in TMV, stated by Frankel Conrad. RNA is the genetic material. In TME, stated by Frankel Conrad. Chemical analysis of virus first carried out by Pyrie and Botany stated that viruses are nucleoprotein composed with proteins and nucleic acid, and that nucleic acid in TME, tobacco mosaic virus, is the RNA, first stated by Frankel Conrad. It is the historical events. Virus that attacks specific host only. Virion is the technical word of virus. Virion and host is specific, or virus and host is specific. One virus that attack one type of host only. One type of virus that attack one type of host only. If that host is not available, that never attack or cause disease in another organism. So the host is specific to particular virus. Based on the type of host, viruses, they are the various types. Types of viruses. Based on the type of host, viruses, they are the various types. Virus which attack plants. Phytophages. They attack plants. Virus which attack animals. Zoophages. Virus which attack bacteria. Bacteriophages, they attack bacteria. If they attack yeast, they call gymophages. If attack blue-green algae, cyanophages. If they attack fungi, mycophages. Virus, various types based on the type of host. If they attack plant, they are called phytophages or plant viruses. If they attack animals, they are called zoophages or animal viruses. If attack fungi, called mycophages, mycology, that is the study of fungi. Mycophages. Gymology, study of yeast. If attack yeast, they are called gymophages, they are called gymophages. If they attack blue-green algae or cyanobacteria, they are called cyanophages. So based on the type of host, they are various types. Reason, host and virion is specific. Host-virion relationship is specific. One type of virus that attack one type of host only. Viruses are strictly intracellular obligate parasites.